everyone. A warm welcome to the Deekshant IAS YouTube platform. Under Prelims Pointers, we bring you important news from daily current affairs that are highly beneficial for the UPSC exam. Today again, we have selected some key points that will help in your preparation. So, let's get started. Point number 1. Shishtachar Squad, Delhi Police's new initiative for women's safety. Delhi Police has launched Shishtachar Squads in all districts to curb eve-teasing and crimes against women. Modeled after UP's Anti-Romeo Squads, they patrol high-risk areas, conduct surprise checks in public transport and institutions, and monitor repeat offenders using surveillance technology. Point number 2. RBI's digital initiatives Sarthi Pravah. Sarthi, launched in 2023, a digital workflow system aimed at improving internal processes and efficiency in the Reserve Bank of India, RBI. Pravah, launched in 2024, a web-based platform for regulatory approvals, helping businesses submit applications to the RBI seamlessly. These initiatives earned the UK Digital Transformation Award 2025, recognizing RBI's efforts in financial governance and transparency. Point number 3. Kanha Valley National Park proposed UNESCO Heritage Site. Location: Bastar, Chhattisgarh. Key features: rich biodiversity with species like tigers, leopards, flying squirrels, and the Bastar Hill Mine. Home to the Kanha River, Tiratgarh waterfalls, and unique limestone caves. The park has been included in UNESCO's tentative list for potential recognition as a World Heritage Site. Point number 4. Bar Council of India, BCI, warns against unethical practices. The Bar Council of India, BCI, has issued a strict warning to lawyers against misleading advertisements and unethical promotions. BCI is responsible for regulating legal education in India, setting professional standards and disciplinary measures, conducting the All India Bar Examination, IB, for law graduates. Point number 5. Pi Day, March 14, Mathematics Celebration. Pi Day is celebrated worldwide to honor the mathematical constant, Pi 3.14159. 2025 theme: Mathematics, Art, and Creativity. A 10-year-old Alberto Davila Argon created a world record by recalling 280 decimal places of pi in 1 minute. Point number 6. Mount Fuji, Japan's new fee for climbers. Due to overcrowding and environmental concerns, Japan has introduced a $27 climbing fee for Mount Fuji's most popular trails. Mount Fuji, Japan's tallest peak, 3,776 meters, and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. A dormant stratovolcano, with its last eruption in 1707. Point number 7. River Betwa, important tributary of Yamuna. The Betwa River, Vetravati, originates in Madhya Pradesh and flows into the Yamuna River in Uttar Pradesh. The river is significant for the Ken-Betwa Link project, which aims to provide water to drought-prone regions in Bundelkhand, boost irrigation and drinking water supply. Point number 8. PM Internship Scheme, a major initiative for youth employment. The government has launched an internship program for youth aged 21 to 24 from low-income backgrounds. Pilot phase. 1.25 lakh youth will receive 12-month internships in top 500 companies. Long-term goal, 1 crore internships over the next 5 years. Thank you for watching. Do not forget like, comment, share.